Well, I'd like to sort of pick up on what Jeremy was just talking about in the business model that is created when you're dealing with identities. He was talking about it in a public form where you have identities that are going through the internet. One of the biggest challenges, I was actually talking to a federal agency last week, and they were talking about their internal business model. Mm-hmm. And they were offering and trying to offer identity as a service back out to their agency consumers, the people, the line of business, I would call them, people trying to get the agency mission accomplished. And what they were running into was the funding model didn't have something that said, I have the need to create identity as a service, independent of an application or a mission. And the chargeback model that this agency works under for the IT cost recovery said, if we can charge for it, we can cost recovery, but nobody in the line of business was used to seeing a line item in their charge for identity as a service. They thought identity was it just happened. And so the culture inside needed to change to include this concept of there is a cost. There is a cost for identity as a service, and it should show up as a line item in your bill. That was a huge internal culture shift that the agency had to absorb, and it really will take some time for folks to think of it as a line item as they would an application. But it's very hard right now to get the seed funding to get a true interoperable identity management system independent of an application off the ground without the ability to charge back for it.